Now explain to me why this won't work. Easy, easy. Comes off easy, goes back on a nightmare. Almost 45 minutes, if not longer, every single time. I don't understand why. Easy. Bleeds off easy. Now for the trick. Ain't got no strength. Will not go. Every single time. I gotta bleed all these lines. Every single time. This is on the Grapple. It was originally on there. To change this out, you gotta have European style. Who has European style? Nobody. This is from John Deere. Wouldn't give 10 cents for another $100 piece of crap. $100 right there. $100 right there. God dang. I don't understand why. It will not go on at all. This one here won't bleed off. It's on the tractor, or no, it's on the Grapple. Oh, it's this one, so I have to bleed it off every single time. God dang it. Let's see here. Let's do this one. No pressure, see? Nothing come out of it. Barely, a little dribble. That ain't enough to matter. See if it'll go. Nothing else will. Oh, I guess I'm gonna see if it's. Yeah, it's easy. It's wired on, so I can't tip it up to show you. See, after bleed lines, that'll go. Now this one's bled, but it's not going. Oh, damn. So follow that line up, got unhooked from the tractor. Bull crap. Top on. Somehow it still puts pressure on it unless you unhook it from the tractor every single time. God, still. Why? Every single time. Why do I have to do this? It's absolutely ridiculous. People say, shut the tractor off. You hear the tractor running? Still does. It unhooks fairly easy. If it was under pressure when you unhooked it, it wouldn't work. These are down. There's nothing to pressure up. If I don't bleed all that stuff off every single time, I sit out here and fight it. I still fight it, but not as bad. No leaks. See, I don't understand. Why do I have to do that every time?